God is opening new doors. Hold on, don't scroll past this. If you've been feeling stuck, blocked, delayed, or overlooked, this message is for you. God is not finished with you. You're not at a dead end. You're standing in front of a new door that God Himself is preparing to open. Stay right here. Because this might be the word you've been praying for. We all know what it feels like when life shuts doors. A relationship you thought would last suddenly ends. A job opportunity you were excited about disappears. A dream you prayed for feels like it will never come. Sometimes it feels like everything is locked and nothing is moving. And in those moments, you might start asking, God, why would you allow this? Why did that door close? Why does everything feel so silent? But I want you to hear this clearly. A closed door is not God abandoning you. Many times, it is God protecting you, redirecting you, and preparing you for something greater than what you were reaching for. Isaiah 20:22 says, what He opens, no one can shut. And what He shuts, no one can open. That means no one, not a person, not a circumstance, not a delay, can block what God has ordained for you. Sometimes we want old doors to reopen, but God is saying, don't reach for what I've already closed. I'm leading you to something new, something better. The new doors God is opening in your life will bring new peace, new clarity, new relationships, new opportunities, new favor, new identity, and a deeper walk with Him. But here's the thing. New doors often require new faith, because before God opens them, He usually allows a period of waiting, stretching, and preparation. You may not see the progress right now, but God is working behind the scenes. He's aligning the right conversations, the right moments, the right timing. He's shifting things around so that when the door opens, it leads you exactly where He wants you to be. Think about it. Some of the doors you wanted in the past would have destroyed your peace. Some would have limited you. Some would have distracted you from your purpose. So God closed them not to punish you, but to protect you. And now, there is a shift happening around you. You can feel it in your spirit. You may not have the full picture, but you sense God is doing something new. You are stepping into a season where the doors you couldn't open on your own, God will open effortlessly. No forcing, no begging, no pushing, no fighting for people to notice you or approve you. Because when God opens a door, it opens with peace, with purpose, and with power. Listen, every delay was preparation. Every no was direction. Every setback was set up. Every closed door was a divine reroute. And now, God is about to make things make sense. The next door God opens for you will not look like the last one. It will be bigger than what you prayed for. It will be better than what you expected. It will carry His fingerprints, His favor, and His timing. So don't lose hope in the hallway. Don't give up between seasons. Don't walk away before the breakthrough. You are closer to that open door than you realize. God is not done. In fact, He's just beginning to reveal the next chapter of your life. Walk in with faith. Walk in with expectation. Walk in knowing that heaven has already approved what is coming next. If this message spoke to your heart, type "I'm ready" for new doors in the comments. Don't leave without subscribing. More powerful, faith-filled videos are coming daily. And share this with someone who needs the reminder that God is opening doors, even the ones they thought would never open again.